Hey guys, Mike here. Today's chicken freaking fun time. That's my new bike from Christmas 2015. Don't get me wrong. I made a video before this about the stupid freaking space. I only have Angry Birds Go and MTD or Monster Truck Destruction, and I only have one video. One freaking video. But this is the second one. Might use all the space. Yeah. Okay, let's do what I did on the other video. Throttle. Guys, I will show you how it turned on with this baby. But yeah, and then it just stopped right here. And first you switch that. Well, I don't want to actually do that. Yeah, you actually just switch it like this, leave it on. Well, and then all you do is, yeah. Somebody said in a comment, all moto dirt bikes is hacking like pull start. But this one you have two things to do actually. This is Monster Moto 80. This thing is easy as heck to drive. When I get a pocket bike, that'll be easy. That'll be a lot harder. More faster. Let's get into freaking chicken fun time. Charlie over there. John Cena. Let's hold one of them. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's my baby. Yeah. Her name's actually Wendy. Oh, girl, be nice. I haven't changed your name yet, but I'll figure it out. Yeah. Wee. Okay. I like my shoes. Yeah, it's my shoes. Hey! I have my coat on. It's actually supposed to be really nice. I want to get out so I can mess with Charlie. Well, I'm not actually just trying to be mean. I'm just trying to hold him. Hey, Johnny. I'm one hand holding. Charlie. You okay. That's Charlie. I'll get close up. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Okay, you know what? How has it been 3 minutes already? 3:30. What the frick? Okay. 5, 10, 15.